Gotta go to the pumpkin patch with Beanie right here.
Yeah.
Her little skeleton costume. You're a good girl. She's a little poodle mixed with Chihuahua. Beanie. Beanie.
You ready, Beanie? You ready? Yeah. She's like, fuck.
She got her little costume on.
A little glow in the dark.
She has her construction vest on.
I'm fucking Amazon worker vest.
For real, huh? Hey, Beanie.
She's upset.
For real.
She doesn't
Hey,
like
Beanie,
the vest.
turn it off. Oh, look at you.
Okay, yeah,
Look at you.
She's so fucking happy, dude. Look at her.
Here she is at the maze. Her first Halloween.
The skeleton.
Right there with the skeleton
They
costume.
glows in the dark.
Festive.
We're going to a corn maze, right?
Yes, sir. Hopefully we don't get lost.
Yeah, I know, right?
Alright, so we're going through the long way now? Maze?
Oh boy.
We're going on this one. Yeah.
No, this is like, well, to me, it was just like $70.
Yeah,
that's expensive.
We're in the middle of a corn maze right now.
But he doesn't need to.
Can't really see. Hold on, let me turn on my light real quick.
Dude, this was literally
Check this out.
before.
Oh my lord.
That's
Beanie.
Oh my gosh.
Hey.
I love Hi, Beanie. But we were like, she needs, her nails were so sharp. Remember that?
You guys all got it clipped?
Yeah.
You too?
Okay, from 6, where should we go?
Where should we go? 4?
Yeah, you guys gonna be in the YouTube
Go
video.
to 4?
Yeah. So what happens?
All the way up here?
Automatically start making money, or like how does this go?
And then go to 3, and then go to 2, and
We
then...
could try to get up there.
Email
Alright,
my
let's go.
management.
Yeah, bro, totally.
Oh, okay.
Jesus. That was a workout.
Hooray, we just made it out of the corn maze right now.
Look at her, she's so happy and shit.
We did good.
Beanie! Beanie!
I swear, she's like obsessed with you.
For real.
Looks like, excuse me. Baby! Baby, mira, come on, baby. Beanie. 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 Mira, mira, baby. Baby. Toma, toma, toma. Hey, toma. Baby. Toma.
Look at Beanie right here. Oh, wait, hold up. Let me get one without any. Beanie did good. He's a little tired now.
She's very tired.
You ready to go home, Beanie? All right, let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here. Huh? It's good. Good experience. Good pumpkin patch.
Fun.
Yeah, it was pretty fun. It was a pleasant experience with.
For only spending $12, honestly.
Yeah.
A comparación, fucking hella money
This is
over
her
there.
first time here. She's only like 5 months old. She did pretty good for being a little puppy.